Okay, we've already concluded that a unit rate is a rate, which means that it is also a ratio that has a denominator of 1 unit. So to write a unit rate, you want to make sure that you find the equivalent rate with a denominator of 1 unit. So let's look at a quick example. If we were writing 24 feet per second as a unit rate, so we're looking at 24 feet, or should I say we're going to write a negative 24 feet per second. Well, I've already had 24 feet per second. Let's go with writing 24 feet per second. So we have per 5 seconds. So what we will have is 24 feet and per, that's our line, 5 seconds. Okay, so here we go. We need to determine what do we need to do to get the denominator as 1. So as we can see, the denominator is 5. So if we are trying to get the denominator as 1, we must divide both denominator. So here we're going to divide both denominator and numerator by 5. And what this is going to do is give us 1 second. Okay, and that's going to give us 1 second in our denominator. And then once we divide, and let's do this on the side, so we'll take 5 and we're going to divide that into 24. So we'll put here, so of course we know 5 times 4 will give us 20. And let's go ahead and put our 4 up here. And then we have actually 4. And then we'll put our decimal and bring down a 0. Let me put this on line as you guys do. And 5 goes into 40 8 times, and 8 times 5 does happen to be 40. So that tells us that our numerator is 4.8. So, and simply simplifying in that factor. So what we're coming up with is the unit rate okay, the unit rate is 4.8 feet, because we didn't divide that out. Okay, so let's make sure we keep that with that. 4.8 feet per second. Okay, seems pretty simple, and and believe it or not, we can also check this by multiplying 4.8 times 5, and again it'll get back to 24. So we determine that our answer must be pretty reasonable. Alright, so finding unit rates, I'm gonna create some guided practice for you for the 3 examples that we went over. So see you shortly.